We are going to talk about Areca Palm plant today. See this Areca Palm plant? It's grown beautifully. And I will give you some tips and tricks about how to grow it healthy and faster. It's known as golden cane palm, yellow palm, butterfly palm and bamboo palm. They all mean the same to this Areca palm plant. So being one of the best air purifier plants recommended by NASA, and also in Feng Shui it says wealth and peace, prosperity is given to you if you keep this plant correctly. If you place this in front of your yard, in front of the main entrance, it is well said to bring wealth and prosperity to your house. So why don't you get one of these beautiful palm plant to your garden? When talking about soil, it has to be well draining, moist soil. So when it comes to watering, you have to give it water when it required. So especially during bright sunny days, you can water them to the palm plant every other day. Especially during the rainy days, you don't need to water them because they require the moist balance in the soil, and also do not overwater them. It's a natural plant if you want to divide it, and also water well before dividing the plant into other plants. Don't place the Areca palm plant near bright sunlight, but give it filtered indirect sunlight that is recommended. Also, if you are planning to keep this as an indoor plant, at least once a week give them some sunlight outside. So those are the basic tips of the Areca palm plant. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a like and also share it with your friends, and do subscribe if you are new to my channel. So that's it for today. See you. Bye.